guys, it's me at Lernies low-rise condominium right next to Big C Ekkamai, and at the Big C has a index living mall. So, and the opposite side, just across the street, there will be 7-Eleven open 24/7, and this is a pet-friendly condominium. 20 to 22,000 baht. You will get the big room, bigger one than other competitors around here. I mean 40 square meters. Let's follow me in. Okay, let's go. Pet friendly, obviously. So this is the main lobby. Mailboxes. This one, key card access. You see elevator hall. Wow. Rooftop everyone. Hi. Under renovation actually. See, this is the marble elevator hall. You see, wow. $40 square meters. I would say if you could get room like this size at 20,000, it's very rare, and yeah, rarest. The normal price is around 23,000. This is another pet-friendly condominium, and you see the opposite side of the road, 7-Eleven, and we walk around 3 minutes. There will be Lernies.